Did a German scientist really predict about Elon Musk and his vision almost 70 years ago? Does Elon Musk know about this? What actually happened? Is this a coincidence or some kind of mystery? Just as a namesake get to know thing, Werner von Braun was a German born American aerospace engineer and a space architect. He was the leading figure in the development of rocket technology in Nazi Germany and a pioneer of the rocket and space technology in the United States. He wrote a non-science fiction book called The Mars Project, which was released during the year 1952, and it is said that von Braun wrote that a person named Elon would be leading the humans on Mars. Couple of months ago, Elon tweeted, "Destiny, destiny, no escaping that for me." And to this tweet, a guy named Toby Lee replied, "Speaking about destiny, did you know that von Braun's 1953 book, Mars Project, referenced a person named Elon that would bring humans to Mars? Pretty nuts." And pretty much everything was written in German, and the only word which could be understood was Elon. But a while later, Elon himself replied, asking whether if it's true. To which an Indian guy named Pranay replied, "Yeah, it's real." This is the English transcript of the same book, but Elon referred by von Braun in the book isn't the name of the person but rather the name of the position, something like an elected meritocrat.
Meritocratic.
President. Chapter 24, How Mars is Governed. Long and exhausting blah blah blah. The Martian government was directed by 10 men, the leader of whom was elected by universal suffrage for 5 years and entitled Elon. Two houses of parliament enacted the laws to be administered by Elon and his cabinet. So we can say that the word Elon in this book was used for more of a title context rather than a specific person's name. So we can conclude this by saying that there are chances that the connection between von Braun's novel and the founder of SpaceX, Tesla, and the Boring Company is purely coincidental. Still, on the other hand, for people like me, it is certainly interesting to imagine that some people are born with a return destiny, especially if we consider the fact that a while before all this happened, Elon Musk called himself the Emperor of Mars.